Hi guys, so this is my makeup tutorial to my daily makeup. And it was requested by you guys so much, and I would call this look like maybe in this emo direction, but also like 2000s neck bling. Like, here we go. I just want to say a few things. I'm not like showing you the products like directly or the brand, because I don't use any special makeup, and I'm also not an expert, so I don't know if it's good or not. I'm just using it, so you can do it with any other makeup product. I'm just doing it like that. And yes, here we go. I hope you're going to enjoy. So first off, I start with skincare. I'm just starting off with a toner, then just a moisturizing cream. Now I already start with my lashes. I'm just like using lash curler and a mascara. Okay, this side is ready. Now the other side. Was the transition good? I don't know, but this is how it looks now. Now we continue with primer. Now I just use concealer. Like, use also a foundation, but I just put it here and here. Then take my concealer and put it here and right here. So we continue with the base. Okay, for the base I have these products, and let's go. So I start off with powder, and I just use it there where I use the concealer and foundation. So under my eyes and over my eyes, like here, then under my nose and on my forehead. Next part is bronzer. Like here, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just like, and then also under my nose here. Then on the sides of my nose. And then also here. Now I use blush, and this blush is so pigmented, so yeah, I love it. First of all, I use it here, like I use so much blush. Then also on my nose, but like more like on the underside here. And the last part is the highlighter, but later I'm putting on way more. Now I use the eyeliner. Next part is I use this blue eyeshadow. That's how it looks now. Now you need black eyeshadow again, and then you need a brush and like put it in, and then just do that. So this is how it looks now. Now I need white eyeshadow. Like, I use this palette, this thing under my eyebrows, because like this is giving this whole 2000s thing. Now we're also putting the white in here, in the corner here. Now I need glitter, and we're just putting it on the eyes, but like I think I use it like this. It's not working so well. Do you see this? How much glitter there is? Oh, I love it. Now we're doing the nose again. And now for my lips, I just use 3 products. So at first I use like eyeshadow and brush. Very important, I always like overline this lip heart thing, you know. We need like just 2 labials to repair my lips, because they're always so crusty if I don't use anything. And then like this red one. Today I just want to do one here and not the lip piercing, because I'm going on the flea market. And this is my finished makeup. Show it to you like this. So I hope you really enjoyed the tutorial, and please also like on TikTok or something like that, or just do a story on TikTok or a story on Insta and like tag me on it and show me how your makeup looks like. And I hope you liked the tutorial, and we see us next time. Love you guys.